All right, let's take this show on the road. Welcome everyone to Civalgo's webinar, AI and the Construction. How will AI reduce your costs by 20%? First, as a quick introduction, my name is Alexandre Champoux. I was actually, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Civalgo. I was actually a civil contractor for 10 years in Montreal. And with 110 employees, we built major infrastructure, like a portion of the airport of Montreal, metro station, and all in iconic infrastructure. But in 2017, we had issues with planning, complete disasters. So much was going on at the same time, as well as tracking our projects. Not an easy task. And payroll, well, that was a complete disaster as well. So that's really when we had the idea to look at our colleagues and other companies and 250 other companies in the matter of fact, to see how they were managing operations. Always came back to the same concept. They were managing through Excel, different apps, a lot of communication, and not a lot of things centralized. So that's where Civalgo was born in 2017. Now, for those who are new, Civalgo is a resource management tool that provides financial visibility from the operational level. Today, we're going to cover three topics. First of all, AI, a revolution for the construction sector. Secondly, AI is an undeniable financial asset. To finish off with, digitization, an essential step towards AI. But guys, rest assured, this presentation will run smoothly, but we'll send you all of this content after the webinar. For those who don't know, AI involves machines that can learn from our everyday situations. They can help make predictions. It can also adapt to variation in use cases, solve problems, make decisions, and even understand certain contexts. I bet some of you might picture an AI-guided paver as you would imagine in the movie Terminator. But take, for example, an intelligent estimation. If we're paving a street in a densely populated area with lots of overhead power lines, we'd need special equipment, like flow buoys, for example, to get the job done safely. That's the kind of scenario that could be predicted by AI. Speaking of estimation, Civalgo has formed a unique partnership with TPL Solutions, the best estimation system to ensure those intelligent estimations by the end of this year. Here's an interesting fact. In 1997, AI achieved its first victory in chess against a human grandmaster. But by 2016, AI had officially become better at chess than any human being. It didn't happen overnight. It did take 20 years to get there. AI has already become quite widespread. It's been around for quite a while. You encounter it in many everyday technologies, just like Siri, Google Home, or Alexa. Or even when you see personalized ads on social media. I mean, that's AI at work. GPS systems that adjust their routes in real time. I mean, if I'm honest, sometimes I'm driving a little bit faster than 120 per hour, but this GPS still adapts and I can't beat it. Even Uber couldn't work without AI. Then there's all the search engine that used AI algorithms to show you the most relevant results. Even facial recognition to unlock your iPhone and other device, they all rely on AI. Video games, antiviruses, and spam filters, as well as modern car collision detection systems, they all use AI. The first part is about revolutionizing the construction sector. I mean, AI will truly revolutionize the construction sector. AI can help us on the construction site, save us time, by automating repetitive tasks and analyzing data in real time, much faster than humans can. Who has time to fill out paperwork or provide redundant information on site? And even more, who can analyze and compile that information on the job site? Only AI has time. In my construction company, Alliance Roadworks, it was always go, go, go. Never a second to spare. Sometimes we made poor decisions due to lack of communication and compiled results. Exactly. AI will help us stop making simple mistakes and support decision making. AI can compile tons of information instantly and even suggest multiple solutions or scenarios for decision making. Imagine this: smart scheduling that adapts based on evolving constraints across multiple sites in real time, considering weather, daily progress, work sequencing, and resource prioritization. Wouldn't maintaining a long-term plan and even preparing the next day's schedule become much easier and faster? It doesn't stop there. Thanks to its incredible capacity for data compilation, AI is also a champion in risk and hazard analysis, helping to reduce accidents on a construction site. Is a very worthwhile cause. I mean, 60 to 80% of accidents on construction sites are caused by human error. That's huge. And AI could help prevent such risks. But AI can also detect anomalies, reducing deficiencies and ensuring quality, while suggesting scenarios that enable the customization of constructions. But AI can also dramatically reduce costs and delays by optimizing project planning, which leads to reducing in labor expenses. I mean, I remember in my company when things weren't efficient, it was often due to cost overruns, all tied to unproductive labor. AI can help with material optimization, further reducing costs, not to mention the accidents and errors it can help prevent, and order delays when we order materials and they come late that cause even more losses on site. AI can help with that. To finish off with a global 20% saving on our operational costs. That's a huge opportunity. Regarding everything we've just discussed, AI will allow us to improve the following: estimating. We can plan and create more accurate project estimates, planning, streamlining project schedules, tracking, monitoring construction sites more effectively, optimizing resources, get the most out of what you have. And last but not least, design and engineering. Help in creating and carrying out our designs. Let's take a look at an example. Nevertheless, we must remain vigilant because the loss of essential skill is a risk. I mean, losing the critical know-how in our industry is dramatic, but there can also be an impact on team morale. AI could demotivate and affect the morale of a team. The accountability for errors. If AI makes a mistake, who is responsible? The contractor or the company who built the AI system? Therefore, it's wise to adopt a complementary approach where AI can assist rather than replace us overnight. It's also crucial to emphasize training for the workforce on using AI effectively. A key anecdote to consider here: there has been a catastrophic accident with a Tesla where the AI failed to recognize an overturned truck. The truck's white color against the sky's white backdrop caused the Tesla not to slow down, and it crashed into the truck at full speed. Thankfully, there were no fatalities. Ultimately, we must always understand what AI does for us. For another example, in engineering at university, we used to do load calculations manually, even though intelligent softwares were available to automate these tasks. The university emphasized judgment and encouraged us to critically evaluate the results. This is the same approach that we should use with AI. I mean, remaining critical is a must while using this extensive technology. In the first section, we demonstrated that AI is a true revolution, as now we're going to prove that AI is an undeniable financial asset. We've said it before, and we're going to say it again. AI will help reduce costs and increase profitability and productivity. Its optimization capabilities in machine learning will decrease the number of man hours required to complete projects. By the way, scan this QR code on the right to view our webinar on recruitment and the labor shortage. To continue, AI will also help us avoid errors, reducing delays, defects, and anomalies. But in the end, all of these savings translate into a more competitive, profitable, and successful business. Let's talk about that concrete example. Sevalgo is currently working on finalizing its AI engine for intelligent planning. This virtual assistant can predict the duration of each project stage based on your historical performance, identify potential risks, optimize your planning, and in turn, optimize your resources and teams. In just a few clicks, you feed Sevalgo with your project data, plans, specifications, etc. The AI analyzes this information and provides you with an accurate schedule, which can then be adjusted to your specific needs. Bam! 90% of the work is done for you. Indeed, AI is profitable because of the conclusions from our trials that have shown that Sevalgo's AI is almost 100% faster than traditional planners. That costs are reduced by 93 to 98%, making this AI nearly 5 times more profitable. Our trials, with an average of 20 projects, revealed savings between $30,400 and $87,000. Wow, that's truly huge. Sevalgo's AI provides companies with a powerful tool to drastically cut planning costs, boost productivity and profitability, enhance the precision and quality of project plannings, and shift focus to value creation and business growth. In the second section, we proved that AI is an undeniable financial asset. But ultimately, digitization is a crucial step towards adopting AI. To get the most out of AI, you need data. Anyone who promises amazing AI results without a solid data foundation is just selling you a fantasy. Data is the backbone of AI. It's as simple as that. AI needs data to learn and grow, just like an elite athlete needs rigorous training. AI requires exercises, simulations, and comparisons to existing outcomes to build its strength and accuracy. That's why Sevalgo has an edge when it comes to AI. Since joining Next AI by Next Canada in collaboration with HEC Montréal and the École des Dirigeants, all of that in 2019, we've been building our AI on a framework of ultra-precise performance categorization. This data-intensive approach allows us to make accurate predictions, but tailored to each company. In the end, if you want reliable predictions, you need systems that can digest and categorize construction performance data effectively. Having AI to help us sounds very exciting, I know, but there's a few steps to get there. The journey begins with gathering quality data so that the AI model can be properly trained. Here's how you can start. You can use certain online project management platforms, but also incorporate software in your estimates, planning, and project tracking, as well as utilizing mobile applications to capture the field data. But all of these tools contribute to building a digital ecosystem specific to your business, laying the groundwork for your AI to work its magic. By embracing digital transformation, you're on the path to build a solid data foundation for the future AI success. A successful digital transition requires careful planning. Scan this QR code to revisit our webinar on low-cost digital transformation for insights on how to do it right. Precision, meticulousness, and a gradual approach is key. It's also crucial to have expert guidance along the way. You must adopt digital tools before you start integrating AI into your workflow. Remember, you guys need that data to start making any predictions. But take it from us. We're construction experts, and we need to rely on some experts here and there to ensure the success as well. It's vital to allocate time to properly train and validate that your teams understand the new processes. Change is hard, guys. You need to make sure everyone understands how to use this AI. Did you know that 75% of construction companies express a strong interest in going digital? The time to act is now, or your competitors will gain the edge. As a first step, consider Sevalgo. Sevalgo as the foundation of your AI journey. Sevalgo is like an iceberg. Above the surface, it appears to be a resource management tool for civil construction, providing real-time day-to-day financial visibility. But the thing is that beneath the surface of the water, Sevalgo's AI engine learns from a company's unique performance data to offer cost and scheduling recommendation to this specific company. Sevalgo is here to support you, not just with software, but also with personalized, quick and easy training sessions. We are construction experts, ready to listen to your needs and all your future development plans. Our AI tool is at the verge of your fingertips, poised to help you achieve greater efficiency on your construction projects. In conclusion, I'd like to acknowledge the effort of the Sevalgo research team, putting this outstanding webinar together. But additionally, we're going to send you these resources just after the webinar, and we're going to have a few quick minutes remaining to actually answer any questions you guys might have. Please just raise your hand inside the lower bar of your Google Meets, and my colleague will be able to unmute you so we can answer that question. Thank you so much, everyone. Any questions? Any challenges you guys are looking into with integrating new solutions that promote AI? If ever you have any questions, and now is maybe not the best time, guys, don't hesitate to reach out directly to the Sevalgo team, and we'll be happily taking some time one-on-one to maybe give you a bit of advice on your journey adopting AI. It's going to be our pleasure. And if there's no questions, well, all the success everyone on your 2024 projects. A lot of profitability and productivity. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.